Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the five mega projects that the Factories Corporation of Jamaica have in the works. Now we are driving through downtown Kingston today. Now the Factories Corporation of Jamaica is different from the Urban Development Corporation of Jamaica. The Factories Corporation of Jamaica is a government-owned entity responsible for developing and managing industrial and commercial real estate across Jamaica. Established to support the country's economic growth, Factories Corporation of Jamaica plays a crucial role in creating spaces that cater to manufacturing, logistics, technology, and business process outsourcing sectors. So today we are going to talk about five mega projects that the FCJ, or the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, that they are working on. Factories Corporation of Jamaica has been working on several significant projects to improve and expand industrial infrastructure across the island. Here are five major projects. Number one, Morant Bay Urban Center. Located in St. Thomas, the Morant Bay Urban Center is a mixed-use development project transforming the site of the old Goodyear factory. It will house government offices, commercial spaces, and small businesses, offering a centralized location for services in the area. This project is designed to stimulate economic activity in St. Thomas and promote job creation. Number two, Gex Free Zone expansion. Located in Kingston, the Gex Free Zone is undergoing an extensive expansion to increase its capacity for manufacturing and warehousing. This development is intended to attract more investors and support local businesses in exporting goods, creating jobs, and boosting economic growth. Number three, Nago Technology Park. FCJ is developing the Nago Technology Park in St. Catherine as a major tech-driven industrial hub. The project aims to attract ICT, that's information and communication technology companies, and support innovation-focused industries. It includes plans for modern, energy-efficient facilities and is part of Jamaica's push to develop a knowledge-based economy. Number four, Lucy Industrial Park. This development is part of a strategy to expand industrial opportunities in Western Jamaica. The Lucy Industrial Park in Hanover aims to support the logistics, light manufacturing, and business process outsourcing sectors. The project also focuses on providing employment for residents in and around Hanover. Mandal Industrial Park. The Mandal Industrial Park project in Manchester seeks to boost industrial activities in central Jamaica. It will provide space for small and medium-sized businesses in sectors such as manufacturing and logistics. The park is expected to encourage local investment and contribute to economic growth in the area. These projects by FCJ align with Jamaica's broader goals of increasing investment, job creation, and economic diversification across different regions. The developments also reflect a focus on sustainable building practices and modern infrastructure to support diverse industries. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Let us know what you think about these projects. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.